My name is Ernie. I've been here a year and a half now, I believe. It was very routine. I have a 80-year-old mother-in-law. Well, actually, she's an 88-year-old mother-in-law living at home. So caregiving for her is kind of was my thing on a daily basis. Nothing major, nothing, too bad, where she needed everything done for her. But yeah, so it's just routine. It is exciting at times. I always have something to do now that, is outside of my home, and just helping these people get through their day in a comfortable way is really helping me find purpose. More purpose, I should say. Knowing that my clients are getting what they need without a hassle. They don't have to want for anything or wonder where this is going to come from or how am I going to get to the bathroom today or this morning. We provide that kind of reassurance for them that everything is going to flow. My mother, when I was her caregiver, she told me numerous times that, Ernest, this is what you should be doing because you're so good at it. And I always thought it was because she's my mother, so therefore I'm taking care of her. And actually it turns out that I care about my clients as if they're my mother or my grandfather or my uncle or just anyone that, let's treat them how we would want to be treated. And that comes out really well. Honestly, it's just the people. Like Kelsey put together our little Christmas party after the first of the year so we could all come, and that actually turned out really well to meet other people in the company. I don't know if other companies do that, and if I have an issue with like family or something where I've needed to switch schedules or actually have an emergency day off, I don't feel guilty about doing that, and they've never made me feel uncomfortable about needing some type of help like that. No, this is what you want to do. There's more entail to taking care of an elderly person than just companionship. You have to be prepared for anything. And if you it's almost like, don't be afraid to do things that you normally wouldn't do with an elderly person or with anyone really, because we do things sometimes that will kind of blow your mind, but it's necessary. If you act like it's the most natural thing to help someone in this situation, toileting, showering, eating, it makes them feel like it's okay and their pride doesn't get hurt. And that's really what's most important, is making them feel prideful that they're still living, they're at home, they're, someone is here to help them without complaining or making fun or, because it's hard. It can be really hard. And emotionally, you have to be able to sometimes not take things to heart. Don't take it personally. But there are moments when somebody will say something to you and you just beam with joy because you realize this is what I'm trying to accomplish. And yeah, there it is. If you would like to apply at Home Helpers, go to homehelpershomecare.com/Modesto.